Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we have a scent from Maison Anthony Marmin and that is the Nile Valley. So it is kind of oriental, spicy, musky kind of perfume oil. So I am going to review it now and going to apply it on my skin because a lot of you guys, you actually complain that you should apply these oils on skin actually. So let's try to open this 0.5 ml sample. So I ordered these samples. So let's try to see. Okay, so the color is golden. Let's try to see. It has some floral notes written and some of the earthy notes. Let's try to see how it actually emerges. It is a bit floral. Yes, it has lotus flower. Now lotus flower has a very kind of sparkling kind of effect, which is like there is you see a valley and the water is sparkling and it is shining due to the sun rays or maybe moonlight. It is very sparkling kind of effect. Rose is here, but it seems like it is Turkish rose. Turkish rose is a bit dull and bit spicy, a bit heavy rose. It is not like a syrupy kind of rose. Overall, I feel that it is kind of spicy floral. I didn't get much musk over here. Yes, musk is there in the background. It is overall a nice blend. It is floral, musky kind of blend. There is spices, but it is very, very low. I don't get any wet soil or maybe earthiness in it right now. But overall, I think I like it. I like it. It would suit women more, I think. It is more on the feminine side because it has more floral, tendency, and it is more of a rose and lotus kind of combination where it has some spices and some of you can say muskiness at the background. Overall, I like the combination of rose and lotus a lot. If they are combined with musk and amber, I think they can create a very, very mesmerizing or magical, mystical kind of effect that is going to calm you down. So here I think that the lotus is a bit more overpowering. So lotus is a bit more sparkling and sharp kind of note a little bit. So maybe if there was more rose in it, it might be more balanced, or maybe amber in it, ambergris. But overall, it's a nice scent. It is not very, very unique, but it is a good scent. So let me rate now. It is kind of like 7 out of 10 for scent profile, and judging by its power, now it is getting a bit earthiness because the floral is getting away, moving away. Earthiness is really, really nice. So 7 out of 10 for scent profile, and I think its power would be average 6 out of 10. I think I'm not sure because people ask me that you wear it and keep wearing it for like one day. So it is not possible for me because I have like 10 or 11 samples and I can, I cannot make videos like this because I normally record videos in bursts. So actually in a day, I actually like record 7 or 8 videos simultaneously. Overall a nice blend, but it is not very unique. I have sniffed similar kind of combinations. So 7 out of 10 for scent profile, 6 out of 10 for performance. I hope you would enjoy this one. make sure you buy a sample first and try this out. If you like it, do send me your comments. I would love to read them, and I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.